Welcome back, guys, and I'm glad to have you guys back. And we are at the Secret Pine Forest. A little nice 360 view there. And we well, it's just me today. I don't have Mikey's survival, but we are going to check this thing out here. If you guys saw on my community page, I got me a new Silky BIGBOY Outback edition, and that was a gift from my wife, Angel Survival, for my 38th birthday. I will tell you what, she is the best, guys. She knows how to please and treat her man. So anyways, thank you again, honey, if you're watching, which you will be. Anyways, I'm out here making videos for you guys today. I'm going to be making probably 3 videos, but this first video that you're going to watch is going to be the Silky video. We're going to cut some wood with it, of course. And the wood that I'm cutting up is going to be for a Morris Kohansky bush coffee fire video. So, and that's one of the videos I'm making out here, along with another one. So we're going to start with this one first. So, well, nothing else left to do but to get right to it. Here it is. This is the BIGBOY Outback edition by Silky. It's got a nice little package with it. The only thing I wish that this came with was on my Katana Boy, because I have a Katana Boy also, which I never Silky saw. It has a strap that goes across so you carry it on your shoulder. This is just a bag, so it would be nice if there was a little strap there, but it's still very nice to give you a case for it. So here it is. I'll give you a little close up there. Yeah, I got it upside down. There we go. A little close up there of it. Now, if you guys are familiar with my other BIGBOY that I have, which is a yellow handle, this handle's a little different. It's like it's almost like a harder plastic. It's the yellow handled BIGBOY that I have. This is the exact same thing as this, but it's slightly different. Is it has a yellow rubberish type handle. This is, it's hard. And if you didn't notice, the blade has got this black coating on it. I forgot what they call it. But there are things, and it wasn't on the manual, but there's people that say can cut bone. I think there is a video on YouTube where someone does cut a bone, but I don't know if it was the BIGBOY. I think a finer tooth one would probably do it. I don't really need to cut bone unless I'm hunting. But yeah, so basically it's just a BIGBOY, more of a bushcrafty color to it, an outdoorsy look, and it's got a new black coating. Now, I didn't read on the manual, and I might have to do another video, but we're gonna see how similar the blade is, because I think it was Lars from Survival Russia had said that the blades are supposed to be a little thicker on these new Outback editions. So I'm not for sure, but yeah, brand new. So let's go ahead and let's get this wood cut up for the next video you guys are gonna watch, Morris Kohansky bush coffee video. Hope you guys will stay. Miles will start out big. They do call this all the BIGBOYs, so we got a big old trunk here. Okay. Ooh, that's some fat wood there. Like butter. Here you go. That's why I call it Big Boy. Okay, that's a good way to start the video. Like butter every time. I can say these teeth they're very aggressive, but good quality silky as usual. Well, I think we know the silky cuts. And by the way, that's all one-hand cuts with that big saw. So I just got those pine branches and pine branch, a couple, or one long one, but a few cuts off that. And so yeah, that's pretty much, that's silky. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Just want to kind of bring you guys along, show you how this saw is and how it operated. Hope I got some decent angles on there, but yeah, anyways, it was fun doing this little video for you guys. But the real fun starts in the next video, which will be the Morris Kohansky Bush Coffee video. For the third time I've told you guys that. So God bless you guys. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.